after many days I came. So the thing behind it is like it was so many things. What is this? Python is not installed. Whatever, bro. See, I'm doing here. What? Python is not. No, it is installed, man. Why to like whatever these people do? So the reason behind it that I'm not coming on my videos because there was some issue on the internet and line in this place. So like cyclones and all were coming here. So the thing is today we are going to learn 2D list and nested loop. So what is 2D list and nested loop? So first let's make a comment and just type in 2D list, uh, list and nested loops. Okay. So, so 2D lists and nested loop. First, you have remembered what is list, I think. So you should remember because as I told you, it would work in some places and today is its work. You can see this is a list, right? So the to-do list is the second form of this. Like here we have to give the equal to, and there will be two things like this. Okay, there will be two containers or more than two containers. Okay, not only two containers, more than two containers, but in 2D version. That's why it is known as 2D list. So first we have to make a list. Let's say we have been making a list of number grid. Okay, and if you can listen the song behind, what to say about it. Like somehow this is my favorite song. What to do? I might think like it would not be your favorite song, or I think it would be your favorite song. So just leave the song and see here carefully and listen me also with the song. Now, so the thing here is like I made something here wrong that is equals to because in every variable we have to give an equal to or it will not work. Okay, because that's the simple rule of maths. Okay, and in next video, I will be showing you classes, or I'm thinking of no. Instead of classes, I will show you this some extensions about VS Code. Like you are seeing this some glowy extension. I always just be changing my themes and all, but there are so many extensions I use personally personally for my VS Code. I could make a video for that. After that, I will show you what about classes, and after that, we'll start like rest of our Python courses. Like in the Python, we'll do another thing like what to say. What is that? Some like some type of this thing modules like Django, Flask, PyAutoGUIT, then TK-Enter. First, I will make you learn TK-Enter, then PyAutoGUI, then Pygame, then Ursina, then Django, then Flask. The but Django and Flask I have not learned, and everything I know in Python. But what to do? I just clicked on Django and Flux module, and instead of that, I was learning at that time C++. Solely for that, Django and Flask for me it is very less time it will take because I have mastered Python, so it takes very less time to read any module for me. It may be a bit huge, but no problem for that. So let's move on to our video. So I made a list, 2D list of number grid. Now we have to make loops. So as in another before video we saw what is for loop. So we'll make nested for loops. This is a very good thing, and this is like very OP thing. You can see for row in. So I'm saying for every row in column. Okay, so row in column, just column, then acha no, wait, not column, actually we have to give here number grid because we are wanting it to be in number grid, right? And then we will give again a for loop. This is called as nested loop. See here I have written a for loop, and with indented I have done it with another for loop. That means it is a nested for loop. So then I will type for call in rows. So not rows, actually simple row we have to write. Then again column, then print column. Okay. So now we'll run it. Let's see what's the answer. What is this saving formatter configure? Okay, there like some days before I like when I was not recording, I downloaded an extension in my this thing. That's the prettier extension. It makes our code prettier for that. Okay, you have been seen like here, whatever I have given here is the like 1 2 3 4 value in the list, it showed here. Okay, but let's try something else. Instead of typing column, we will do it row. Then let's see what will come. So here we can see, let's see yeah. So you can see it came like this and corrupted a bit. You can say like it didn't corrupt it. It should print it once, but it printed two times because here two for loops are there, and in two of them I used double row. For that double times the row were printed. If I have written here column in column, like wait, let me show you. So it will give us another result. You have to master this thing as I have mastered. Wait a second. Why the hell did the like this thing changed? Yeah. What the hell is this? Hello? Wait a second, dude. Yeah. So somehow the this thing changed. Okay. Now I have made everything row. So you will see something else result. You have to try many more things out of it. You saw that it gave the same result like column row. Okay. But if I do everything here column, then you will see something else. You can see here this also column and that also column and this also column. Okay, let me change those column. I can use some VS Code extension for doing this all stuff, but like VS Code, not extension, but VS Code properties, you can say. But I'm not gonna use it now because I am thinking you people that you are beginners. So you saw that it showed a what is this traceback issue because column is not defined. Yes, this is right. So we can't give all the variables column. So this is what in this tutorial. In next tutorial, I will the tutorial of class, and after that, as I told you, of VS Code, and after that, all those modules which I know and from which I mastered the Python. You will also master Python by those things. And the thing behind it is like only design on Flash I left because in that time I was learning C++. So I forgot about it. So sorry for that. So design on Flux will come afterwards. But this first we will do PyAuto GUI. That will come in one video only, like on half an hour video it will be there, but it will be okay that it will be done. Bioto GUI is a very interesting thing. I want to give you all of the information today only because it is needed. So PyAuto GUI, what does PyAuto GUI do? I will show everything there. Let me first comment down here everything. Not today. I'm just saying you people. Okay. And from PyAuto GUI, you can make some incredible things like I have automated my Minecraft through that. Okay, you can also do that. I will say all the tricks behind it, so you can do it. And here you can see I'm doing something like multiple cursor thing. If you don't know, just comment me down. I will say how to do that. Or I am saying you Alt Control, then your arrow keys. Then only you can do it. And to remove it, you just click once. So after this Python course, we will be doing another playlist, and I think so. Should I make another playlist or one playlist? I think so. I will make another playlist for PyAuto GUI. I will not make another playlist. Like for the bigger modules like tkinter, PyQt5, Django, and Flask. Leaving those, for them I will make some playlist because in one video covering it is very hard. Like I can't talk for this much time, like it takes too much time to code. Like tk I will show you something. Like here you can see called coordinatestellar.py. This is one simple code I have done with tk from which you can see, like I can, whenever I will run, it will do some other works. So leave that stuff. The thing behind it is like wait a second. Uh, so the thing behind it, I can't say this too much long. Like so, this for this thing is one form of my video. Like it will be in one episode, okay, to make you people understand and all. This coordination tell. This is not the first thing also. Okay, this is what is, and another modules like PyAutoGUI and all will be in this Python course playlist only. So if you have not accessed my playlist, then access it, because after one video you will be learning Python very perfectly. Like you will slowly become an intermediate, and after that, too much of practice, you can become a good developer in Python. After all the things of means needed modules, and for the simple small modules I can make like ptxx3. For this all modules I will make another like small videos sometimes if I just think they are needed, but they are not always needed. The things I have told you, these are needed always for the time saving. Yes, turtle is a module to make games, that also I will show you. In that also I made one game, and after that I left those. So the thing is, so in next video, you will be knowing what is like what is classes. That is a very big concept in our Python, and after that modules. Okay, so the first module will be PyAutoJ. So I want to introduce you that what is PyAutoJ. I will not code now anything about PyAutoJ. Like I have to prepare a bit, because it has been some time that I have not doing PyAutoJ. After making some boards, I stopped using PyAutoJ. Just I have to go to my notes and just recall everything. Okay. So no, that's not even a problem. Now also I remember the things how to move them. Everything I remember, but I just don't want to cover it in this video because still the Python course is not finished. What is it? Just I want to cover what is that and what does it do. PyAutoGUI, as the name suggests, it does the same thing. Like Py, that means Python, that automates your GUI. That means it automates your computer. Whatever you will give command, like not like this, that like here I will write I want to click 5000 times in 1 second. Okay, this is something. Okay, but you can't do that in PyAutoGeo. Just I want to say there is also command for doing that also, like 5000 times in 1 second, and the like thread and keyboard module is there with PyAutoGeo. It works. So that's what PyAutoGeo is. And let's meet you in the next video. Till that, I'm winding up this video, and bye bye.